The Adidas Anthony Edwards 2 officially debuted during Edwards' China tour, nearly 2 years after the AE1's release. Interestingly, the original AE2 design was abandoned since Edwards and his team disliked it, causing what was planned as the AE3 to be rebranded as the AE2. This explains both the extended gap and the heavy stream of AE1 colorways that carried fans through multiple seasons. The launch colorway, With Love, pays homage to Edwards' Atlanta roots, blending a peach-inspired theme with his signature style. While the shoe maintains a familiar mid-cut shape and upward scooping outsole similar to the AE1, subtle updates highlight Adidas' dedication to evolving the line while keeping its core identity intact. As anticipation builds for the 2025-2026 NBA season, sneaker fans can expect more exclusive drops, previews, and a stronger spotlight on Edwards' growing influence in basketball footwear culture.